Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to learn today's featured chord, the minor major 7th chord, aka the stealth chord. Okay, so that's the chord. I'm playing it in the key of C minor. Let's take a look at what it's all made of. So it has a minor triad. I'm playing in the key of C minor here. So minor triad as its core, but then the major 7th note up top. And that kind of gives it this clashing vibe. So the notes are C, E flat, G, and B. So let me show you this little jingle that's going to make you feel like a secret agent. All right, guys, so that's the stealth chord. Happy practicing.